working? I don't know if it's working. Hello YouTube, Seth again here today, back with a Space Engine video. We're gonna look for life. Well, I kind of already found one. If you know any better settings, put it in the comments. This one don't have any planets. Alright. Or if you have any suggestions. I probably won't say your name because I'll have this open and your name will pop up on screen. Binary. Carbon star. That's cool. Scorched desert with 3 moons. How do they have moons? That's nice. Alright. An asteroid. You wanna know why I'm talking so quietly? The time is right here. It's 2 in the morning. People are still sleeping. Best time to make a video. White main sequence star. Binary. Orange giant with 13 planets. Binary. Yellow giant. Binary. Let's go into another galaxy. Yeah, this is our galaxy. Magellanic Cloud, let me go with that. See a big star there. Oh. Is that even a star? Oh, it's a cluster. Nice. Also, if you hear loud, like, running noises, that's either my cat or my computer being loud. Blue supergiant. Oh, subgiant. Alright. Blue main sequence star. The video ends when we find life because I want to make a short video, kinda, just to test this. White main sequence star binary. Let's go with that. Turn off orbits. Turn up time. Also, I'll probably make some, like, oops. Sandbox videos, Community Drive, GTA, City Skylines probably. Years 3000. Let me slow it down and pause it. I don't want to go through like the star. Where is it? What is this it? What is it called though? Oh, star browser. I don't want to go through that. I want to find it on my own. White main sequence star. Blue main sequence star. White main sequence. There's a lot of white stars in here. Binary. There's a lot of binaries as well. Wolf Ryans. Wow. Oops. Is that the Wolf Ryan? Yeah, there it is. Get to locations. Yeah, there it is. Looks cool. I remember finding a star system that had 2 planets with life, but accidentally clicking away, I could never find it again. I wish I could find it again, but oh, it's not in here. I think it was in another galaxy far away. Might not even be on this computer. 15 planets. And my cat's scratching the stairs. But yellow dwarf quadruple. Let's go to that actually. 6 planets. You'd think the planets would get just burnt away. So the different orbits. Where are the other stars? Oh, they're really small. Kinda. Oh, there's 4. I know what quadruple means, but also I recently hit 50 subscribers. Thank you for 50 subscribers. I don't know if you heard that with a loud car. Oh, no way, there's 2 with life. Which ones have life? Planets? Frozen ice world, is this? I don't think so. Frozen gas giant. Maybe one of the sun's and moons. Hot Salina, warm desert, frozen ice world. A bunch of frozen ice worlds. This one has moons. Frozen ice world. This one has planets too. Hot Salina, hot gas, hot ice giant, hot desert, temperate gas giant. So this gas giant has life. Hot ocean, hot oceania with life. Or organic, unicellular, marine. No way, this gas giant had life. Just saying, I wanted to find a oops. Yeah, that's the only way I know how to get rid of that. I knew another way to get it. Or, I don't know how to say it. To get that off the screen. There we go. I probably forgot it. Yeah, that's a cool gas giant. I'm probably gonna visit the other planet in another video. But this was just a test video, sorta. That's a cool gas giant. I really like that. That'll work. With yeah. Bye YouTube.